Afternoon, everybody. How are you doing today? I hope you're doing good, you and your family. I'm doing good with my family. Please don't forget to subscribe and like to our videos. You know, those of you who have subscribed already, I thank you from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate you. And those of you who do not subscribe yet, what are you waiting for? You know, you're enjoying my videos, maybe you're cooking some of my food. Subscribe. That I would really appreciate you. Now today I'm gonna cook some steamed fish. It's like we call it fish tea. I'm gonna put not too much water. I'm putting in my fish in this water. I'm not gonna put too much water. I'm gonna put the fish. I take off the head, but sometimes I like to, so I'm putting them on the side. Sometimes I like to eat, do the bones in the fish head, sit down and eat them. So that is what I'm doing right now. And I have my seasoning, where I have my carrots. I have my relish. I peel it, the relish. And I have scallion. I'm just going to put it over it. And I have bell pepper here. 2 different colors, you know, so that it can be colorful. I have onion. And I have some thyme. I'm going to put a little salt. I have also some hot pepper. And here I have some okra. You can just put it in because it's like going to be like a soup stew. It's not going to be too much water. It's going to be like a soup stew. So I'm putting in my okra. I'm not cutting them so I can get to relax and eat it. This is some garlic, which I cut small. And I put in everything. And I'm gonna put some watercress. This is very healthy. It's good for a lot of stuff, and it's also good for diabetes, high blood pressure. It also, and it tastes good on your food. You can put it in any meat, any kind of meat. But today I'm gonna put it in this. It's like callaloo. I'm gonna put it in my fish tea soup stew. And I'm going to put some salt. I think I said salt already. I'm going to put also, I'm going to put a little piece of butter. And then I'm going to cook it down, and then I'll show you what's going on in One Honey Bell Kitchen. This is how my fish tea stew is going. It's looking, and I'm just turning it over. If the water dried out before your okra is cooked or your vegetable, you can just like add a little bit more, not too much, because you don't want like a big pot of soup. You want like a stew soup. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just turning over everything and, you know, just showing you how I do it. So as we go along, I show you what's going on. But as you can see, it looks pretty already. And then after, I'm going to use like one of this small dish and just put it in and just gonna relax. It's like on a Sunday evening and just watch my favorite show and just cut my tan and just relax and eat my little fish, my fish stew soup. So I'll show you later when it's finished. Vinegar in here, and now I'm sharing out my fish stew, fish tea, It's like a fish tea, as I told you about it before, but it's like stew also. Because you can eat the vegetable and drink a little soup. I didn't make a lot of soup. It's like a broth. And get some of these pretty colors in there so it can look attractive and nice. And so this is my fish tea stew. So subscribe and like to our videos. Have a wonderful evening. Mwah.